Variables are strongly typed in C++ and in C. This means that the token representing a variable represents both its value and its type. I'm going to come down here, I'm going to declare a variable, say int I. The statement int I semicolon is a variable definition. It defines the type of the variable and allocates space in the size sufficient to hold a value of that type. This variable is an integer. Currently, it has no assigned value, so its value is said to be undefined. An undefined value is a very dangerous thing, so be sure to always assign a value to a variable before you use it. This is called initializing the variable. So if I come here and I say I equals 7, I have now assigned a value to it and I may use it. So I'm going to say printf, the value is %d \n for a new line, comma I, which is our variable. And when I save and run this, you'll see it says the value is 7. Now, under many circumstances, you may both define and initialize a value at once. So I can say int I equals 7 like this, and in one statement, I am defining the variable and I'm initializing it and giving it a value. And of course, when I save and run this, you'll notice that it still says the value is 7. It's usually a good idea to initialize a variable as soon as possible, so I'll usually initialize it when it's defined. C++ also uses qualifiers, sometimes called modifiers, that change the behavior of variables in various ways. The qualifier becomes part of the type. So if I put the keyword const here in front of the type int, we now have a const int or a constant int. Const is a qualifier, short for constant. It tells the compiler that the value of this variable cannot be changed once it's initialized. This is called a read-only variable. Now, if we try to change it, the compiler will throw an error. So if I say I equals 42, and I try to build this, you see build failed, cannot assign to variable I with const qualified type const int. And so you can see that the type includes that qualifier. It's not just an int, it's a const int. So in C++ and likewise in C, a variable must be defined before it can be used.